Today's lunch is again very simple. There is what I call lauki ka kofta, or vegetable made out of lauki dumplings. But those dumplings are not fried, they are steamed. And I mix the grated lauki or bottle gourd as we call it, with some besan, steam it, and then cut pieces of it and make it as a vegetable. And to complement is Boondi Raita and some leftover aubergines from yesterday. Today's dessert, there is something dessert and something very special for it, which I have made it for the first time, and what we call Lapsi. Lapsi is made just, I roasted some wheat flour in a little bit of desi ghee, and then added Jaggery to it, ground Jaggery which I had soaked in some water, and then just cooked it for some time. Let's hope it's come out well, and that's for it today.